Hello viewers! Proteins are essential building blocks for your body, providing energy when needed, supporting muscle growth, aiding fat loss, and overall helping you stay healthy. They're a real game changer. What makes proteins stand out compared to other macronutrients is that the body can't store them like it does with fats or carbohydrates. That's why it's important to make sure you're getting enough protein every day. The amount you need will depend on your age and weight, but it's also crucial to consume a variety of protein sources. Each type of protein has its unique amino acid profile, and by eating a range of protein-rich foods, you'll cover all your bases. There are plenty of foods out there that can help you meet your protein goal. And today, we're going to share some of the best ones with you. Stay tuned until the end to discover all of them. Eggs. Eggs are a great protein source, especially egg whites. They're low in cholesterol, rich in protein, and low in fat, making them an ideal choice for a healthy breakfast. A cup of egg whites offers about 26 grams of protein, which provides energy and essential amino acids. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Boiled, scrambled, or something else? Let us know in the comments. Peanut butter. Though it might not be as trendy as almond butter, peanut butter still packs a punch when it comes to protein. 2 tablespoons provide about 8 grams of protein. Just be mindful of added sugars. Natural peanut butter made from just peanuts is the healthiest choice. High-quality protein. Most protein powders, like whey, casein, or plant-based options, provide a complete profile of essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. It's an easy way to boost protein intake without the need for cooking or preparing meals. Just mix with water or milk for a quick snack or post-workout recovery. I will put a link in the description of a few high-quality protein powders you should take daily for effective and quick protein intake. Pork chops. A single pork chop offers 39 grams of protein. It's also a great source of zinc, an essential mineral for many bodily functions. Zinc deficiency can lead to weakened immunity and night blindness. Canadian bacon, another form of pork, gives you 15 grams of protein per 3 ounces, while chorizo provides 21 grams per 3 ounces. Bananas. Bananas contain around 1.5 grams of protein per large fruit. They're also high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and can replenish electrolytes lost during diarrhea. Tofu. A quarter block of tofu has around 12.8 grams of protein and 117 calories. It's a great meat alternative, packed with magnesium, iron, and other key nutrients. Like other soy foods, tofu can help lower bad cholesterol and promote heart health. Cottage cheese. Half a cup of cottage cheese offers around 14 grams of protein. It's great for a late-night snack, especially since it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps your muscles fed overnight. Tempeh. Tempeh is made from fermented soybean and is packed with protein and prebiotics. A 3-ounce serving provides 15 to 16 grams of protein. Its firm texture makes it perfect for sandwiches or salads. Or you can crumble it to replace ground meat in recipes. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is twice as high in protein as regular yogurt. An 8-ounce serving contains about 23 grams of protein. It's also rich in calcium for bone health and probiotics for a healthy gut. Opt for plain varieties to keep calories in check. Halibut fish. Halibut is one of the best whitefish when it comes to muscle-building protein. A 3-ounce serving has about 23 grams of protein and only 2 grams of fat. Pacific halibut is often considered a more sustainable choice. Steak. Lean cuts of steak are a fantastic protein source, offering about 1 gram of protein for every 7 calories. For example, a 3-ounce steak can give you around 23 grams of protein. Choose lean cuts like round or loin for a healthier option. Broccoli. Broccoli is a plant-based protein that contains 8 out of 9 essential amino acids. It has about 3 grams of protein per 100 grams and is also high in fiber, which helps keep you full and reduces appetite. Chia seed. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 4.4 grams of protein. They're also rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants that help reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a great source of protein, offering 32 grams per 100 grams. It's also rich in selenium, a mineral that helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can occur during workouts. Yellowfin tuna. Tuna is an excellent source of protein, with a 3-ounce serving containing around 25 grams. It's also rich in vitamin B and selenium, which are great for your health. Look for sustainably caught tuna whenever possible. Quinoa. Quinoa is a powerhouse grain, rich in all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic source of protein, fiber, magnesium, calcium, and other nutrients. A 100-gram serving of cooked quinoa provides around 5 grams of protein. Potatoes. While often considered unhealthy, potatoes are actually quite nutritious. A russet potato contains 8 grams of protein, more potassium than a banana, and plenty of fiber. Sweet potatoes and red potatoes are also healthy, though they have a little less protein. Almonds. Almonds are packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and manganese. 1 ounce of almonds contains about 6 grams of protein. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritious breakfast option that provides 17 grams of protein per 100 grams. A larger serving of about 300 grams can cover your daily protein need. Lentil. Lentils are one of the best plant-based protein sources, offering 18 grams of protein per cup of boiled lentil. They're also rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and folate, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Pumpkin seed. 1 cup of pumpkin seeds provides 12 grams of protein. They're also high in zinc, which supports your immune system and can improve prostate health in men. Pumpkin seeds also help regulate insulin and prevent diabetes. Cauliflower. A large head of cauliflower contains 17 grams of protein. It's also rich in choline, a nutrient that supports memory, sleep, muscle movement, and fat absorption. Edamame. A cup of edamame provides 18 grams of protein. These soybeans are a complete protein, meaning they offer all the essential amino acids your body needs. Black beans. Black beans are loaded with protein, offering nearly 40 grams per cup, more than double the protein found in white beans. Spinach. A cup of spinach contains 1 gram of protein and is packed with vitamins A and C, folate, and magnesium. It also contains carotenoids that help protect against heart disease and certain cancer. While protein is vital for your body, don't forget about other important nutrients like iron. To learn more about iron intake, check out our video on foods that are rich in iron. Let us know in the comments. Do you prefer getting your protein from food or protein powder? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, please subscribe to the channel for more health videos.